Amma, the Prime Minister has invited me to. She wouldn't let me complete the sentence. Behosh ho jati meri maa. And now I can only imagine how she would have reacted, responded to these amazing events unfolding in my life. The call from the PMO would have come, my relatives would have heard, they would have called my mother. Hey, Modi ji has called Shraddha? Houda, Houda, Houda. And Amma would have behaved like she always knew this was going to happen. Of course. Shraddha has passed, no? Hindi Prachar Sabha Madhyama exam. They should have called long back. Late ho gaya. And then when I returned from Raj Bhavan, Amma would have asked me the same questions again and again and again and again and again and again. Not a shred of information should be left out. Tell me everything. Who went first inside his room? Who went? Who went? No. Yash, Rishabh and I, we went in together, but I think in that queue, I was first. You sat to his right side or left side? I sat to his left side. You should have sat to his right side. He does not like people on the left, no? No, Amma, Rishabh and Yash sat to his right side, so I sat to the left side. No, but you said you were first in the queue, no? Takkanta, you should have just sat on the right side. No, Amma, takkanta, they sat on the right side. I sat on the left. Modi ji spoke in English or Hindi? Modi ji spoke in Hindi. Rishabh and Yash replied in Hindi. South Indian judging South Indian. Yeah, very comfortably they replied, what is there? Not like that. No, but Modi ji has felt, guarantee, he has felt how this girl is a South Indian, but her Hindi is so good. He has felt, but he will not say, this Yash and Rishabh will feel bad, no? He will not say. Yash and Rishabh Shetty are releasing 1,000 crore movies worldwide. I am releasing free of cost Instagram reels on my handle. And yet in my mother's mind, we are competitors. Of course, why not? Mothers are ridiculous. And I'll tell you another thing mothers do, and this is true for mothers all over the world, across generations. Mothers will take all this information from you, all these data points, to draw a graph. And then extrapolate this graph to the future. Because it is not enough to know the past and the present, you also have to know what is in the future, what will happen. Amma would have also drawn a graph. After meeting my daughter, what will Narendra Modi ji talk to Amit Shah about my daughter? Of course he will talk about my daughter. What else is there to talk about after meeting my daughter? But what will he say to Amit Shah? The graph is now extrapolating. Amit ji, कल राजभवन में एक बेटी मिली, श्रद्धा जैन. क्या हिंदी? क्या हिंदी? वाह! I am sure उसने हिंदी प्रचार सभा का मध्यमा एग्जाम पास किया है. मेरे बाद इसी को प्रधानमंत्री बनाइएगा. धन्य है इसके माँ बाप, धन्य है इसके माँ बाप, धन्य है इसके माँ बाप. This is the bottom line of Indian parenting. Every parent's secret desire is whoever meets my child should be so mind blown that they walk away like zombies, saying, धन्य है इसके माँ बाप, धन्य है इसके माँ बाप, धन्य है इसके माँ बाप. क्या परवरिश, क्या परवरिश. ಏನ್ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಹುಡುಗಿನ, ಧನ್ಯ ಹಸ್ಕೆ ಮಾ ಬಾಪ್. This was Amma's big dream too. This is all she wanted. My God, so badly that I'm telling you, if I had made it to the hot seat of Kaun Banega Crorepati, Amma wouldn't care how much money I'm making on that show. She is only worried, what impression am I making on Amitabh Bachchan? Because then she has to draw the graph. After meeting my daughter, what will Amitabh Bachchan talk to Jaya Bachchan about my daughter? The graph is now extrapolating. Jaya ji, कल हॉट सीट पे एक बेटी मिले, श्रद्धा जैन. क्या हिंदी, वाह. जरूर अवश्य यकीनन उसने हिंदी प्रचार सभा का मध्यमा एग्जाम पास किया है. अगर ये बेटी पहले मिली होती तो अभिषेक की शादी इसी से कराते. धन्य है इसके माँ बाप, धन्य है इसके माँ बाप, धन्य है इसके माँ बाप. And Amma would have also prepared the answer to Amit ji and Jaya ji when they come home with the proposal. Of course. Jaya ji, Amit ji, thank you. Really, we are honored. Really, thank you so much. We are honored. But we don't do intercaste. Sorry. बच्चन परिवार की बहू बनते बनते रह गई मैं. But if it is true that people become angels and spirits after they die, tonight Amma is coming to your homes to draw the graph. After meeting my daughter, what is talking to her about my daughter? So if you want to sleep peacefully tonight and every night after, before sleeping, once you have to say, धन्य है इसके माँ बाप, धन्य है इसके. बोल दो यार, some mother's big dream.
My daughter recommended you go to this show, definitely. Aashirwad, mara khub khub aashirwad.